It has been Keolis Downer's privilege to operate Yarra Trams for the past 15 years. We've operated Melbourne's iconic tram network since 2009. In that time, Keolis Downer has continuously worked to improve operations, safety and passenger experience of the world's largest tram network to ensure that millions of passengers every week can get to where they want to go. In this time, there's been the introduction of the night network to get passengers home safe all weekend, the rollout of E-Class trams, and more level access stops and separation curbing. We've worked to provide a safer, more reliable and more accessible network for millions of passengers every week. Melbourne is Australia's major events capital. We've delivered extra services year-round to get people to events like the footy finals, Australian Formula One Grand Prix and the Australian Open. Innovative solutions have improved how we operate, like anti-graffiti glass at tram stops, 3D printed tram parts, and world-leading safety campaigns like the Wear the Rhino. Investments in local suppliers that support local jobs for the manufacture of tram parts that keep services reliable have supported jobs across the Victorian supply chain. When we took over operations of Yarra Trams, just 9% of tram drivers were female. By breaking down the barriers, that number is now 31% of our total driver workforce. Keolis Downer's Community Partnerships Program has delivered more than $7 million of in-kind advertising to community organisations, fostering long-term partnerships and supporting jobs for Victorians. We have loved operating Melbourne's tram network over the past 15 years, moving more than 1 billion passengers during that time. Our teams have all worked incredibly hard to deliver the best services possible. From our drivers driving your tram, our maintenance staff ensuring your journey is a safe and reliable one, to our customer service staff helping you get where you want to go, and the countless other teams behind the scenes, everyone has played their part. Thank you.